You out of gas?
No, I'm not out of gas.
Why'd it stop?
Cold.
You have to get over the fence and chop it. You have to cut it on the other side. Can you climb it? That's a new chainsaw when you climb over. And that's that.
A little help wouldn't hurt.
I don't have.
Shut that fucking thing off and push behind this
I
thing.
can do it. Use my back. Because I don't have gloves.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
See, my back power went into it. How close by my back. Anyway, that's it. I have to use my back. I have no gloves on. I ain't gonna touch that. No, there's no gloves. Hand will freeze the gate. It's cold holding this phone.
There. Take a picture of that. Show your mother.
I've been taking pictures the whole time.
Take
Look,
a picture
hey,
of the finished
stop.
product.
I'm taking picture and video at the same time. Modern day technology. Huh? That tree wasn't down.
Let's put a little bit more back behind this over here. A little bit more.
Where?
Right here. Like that way a little bit more.
You have to get out. Yeah, I have to be on the other side of you.
No.
Or put my back in.
Ready?
Yeah.
Get right there. That's good.
Ah! Shit!